Let's make some stuffed dates. Now this is more of a candy. We had this a couple of years ago. We had got some candy at one of the local stores, and you know how it goes. You find something that you really like and then you don't find it again. So this is a really super simple recipe. What we've got over here in our pan, we're going to have a package of the dark cocoa melting chocolates, and we're going to just place it out there on a low heat, and we're going to start to melt those. Now while those are melting, we're going to take our dates and we're going to use some almonds, and all we're going to do is stuff each of those dates with an almond. Alright, we've got that. A few of those stuffed, our chocolate is melted. All we're going to do is take our chocolate, or our dates, we're going to stuff it, put it in our chocolate mixture, place it on our wax paper, and then we'll just let this cool. We'll set it probably in the refrigerator once we get them all done, so then make sure they get nice and hard. And then we're going to munch on these wonderful chocolate-covered stuffed dates. Oh, there they are. You know, I went to the store, and I do have a quick question. What happened to all the ones in the center, Mom?
I tried one.
One?
Maybe two. Well, there was three that looked like they was awful close together. Mm-hmm. And they're good.
Enjoy the recipe.